Hi, I'm Jer. Welcome to Kill-Divill, where we focus on rum and cocktails. Today we are going to make something called the Middleton. In order to make this drink, we are going to shake it twice. We are going to use egg whites, so if you're not into egg whites, this may not be the drink for you. But I'm going to add one egg white from a large egg into my glass, and I did pre-break the egg off camera. I didn't want to risk it on camera. That goes right in the shaker. Then I'm going to add 2 ounces of your dark rum, and I am using a Lander aged rum from Far North Spirits. I'm very happy I finally have this again. 2 ounces is 60 milliliters. 1/2 ounce of Genever, and Genever is an herbal liqueur similar to gin. It can only be made in Holland. I'm going to put 1/2 ounce of this in, and that's 15 milliliters. 3/4 ounce of grenadine, and I do make my own grenadine. Recipe is here on the channel if you want to check that out. Link will be down below. 3/4 ounce is 22.5 milliliters. Then 1.5 ounces of fresh squeezed lemon juice. 1.5 ounces is 45 milliliters. Oh, almost lost that one. It doesn't pay to rush. And I'm going to give it a dry shake. And now it's leaking. Fantastic. Okay. Open it up, if I can. Add my ice. And give it the second shake. The official glass is a martini glass. Now that I have martini glasses, I guess I can use them. I'm going to get my other strainer and double strain this into the glass. And no garnish. That's it. A Middleton. Drink with good spirits.